study thing. I mean, the guaranteed questions you can expect for your coming exam. Like one questions you can expect from income from salary. That is case study ಕೇಳ್ತಾರದನ್ನ, right? Income from salary possibly ಇದೆ. And similarly bacho, income from salary and house property will finish. And tomorrow, yeah, income from business and residential status, I mean the taxable, that we can cover it. 5 marks ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 5 marks हुआ है ना बच्चों? टेल मी फास्ट.
नो सर.
5 marks हुआ है ना? लास्ट टाइम सिखाया ना मैंने.
रेसिडेंशियल स्टेटस एंड ग्रेजुएट
नहीं रे बाबा, एचआरए हो गया
नहीं हुआ सर.
तो 5 marks और चेक करना. दिस इज द डे 5.
डे 4 सर.
नहीं, एप्लीकेशन में डे 5 है ना, चेक
पता
कर.
नहीं सर.
बच्चों ये क्वेश्चन जो है ना गारंटी पूछ रहा है आपको. आई मीन दिस क्वेश्चन लाइक यस दिस ईयर आई एम नॉट श्योर दे में आस्क यू पक्का.
सर एक बार 5 मार्क्स से करो सर.
15 मार्क्स कर ले, कल करता हूँ ना. अब थोड़ा टायर्ड हो गया मैं आज, पता नहीं है एवरीडे. ओके, आई डू दैट, नो प्रॉब्लम, विल कवर इट. 5 मार्क्स जितने भी हैं. ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 115 BSc ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ಬಚ್ಚೋ ಲಿಸನ್, as per the rules maximum two house you can occupy. One house that should be LOP. ठीक है, LOP means what? Zubair, definitely. Now tomorrow we have computer subject also. ನಾಳೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಇದೆ. ಚಲೋ ಲಿಸನ್, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಾಟ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಿಶ್ವ supplies the following info of the house property owned by him for the previous year, that is what 31st March 2022. बच्चों there are 3 houses here, house 1, ठीक है, house 2, house 3. चलो 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 चलो. So बच्चों here we have municipal value they given 12,000, 31,000, 36,000. Definitely we will take computer class tomorrow morning. ಒಂದಾಯ್ತು rent received. So SOP anyway we are not going to receive the rent. Second house property for residential purpose, he has put it for 30,000, he got the rent. Okay, 30,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ. And 40,000 rent he has received for third house. Standard rent, yeah, obviously like whenever SOP idre there is no rent received and there is no standard rent. ठीक है, and it is 28 and 38. Local tax, that is municipal tax they've given. Municipal tax they've given, that is 1,800. That you should minus, minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. We should minus this. Okay, interest on loan for construction, very important, deduction under section 30. Sandeep and all, everybody computer ನಾಳೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿಪ್ಪ, ಚಿಂತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದಿಸ್ and after that definitely till 6 you have time, right? 6 ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇದೆ. So I know that computer is a big issue for you. Not a problem, we'll cover it. 9,000, 9,000, 9,000, 3,000, 2,000, sorry, 9,000, 3,000 and 2,000. Bachcho, this is your interest. ठीक है, repairs they have, that is you don't take it. Compute his income from the house property taking into consideration that shop let out, whatever the shop let out, right, remained vacant for 3 months. So vacant for 3 months means they 3 months they have not received the rent. And this house they have let out was unrealized, or unrealized bachcho 2,500 in the previous year. And we have given like here we have opt and does not opt. And guys, Rani Chanamma and KUD they have same question आते हैं. Every year you get like they repeat the same thing. ठीक है, ಈಗ बच्चों, one thing you have to remember is that there how many houses they have? How many houses they have? ಮನಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? There are 3 houses, right? House 1, house 2 and house 3. ठीक है, And in that just listen, first we have to find out what बच्चों, first we have to find out gross annual value. Correct? First we have to find out gross annual value, and whichever that annual value, let's solve this now. चलो. Easy there. Only part you have to focus is that you have to focus how the amount is getting here at the main layer. Okay, one by one we'll take it. Computation of income from house property for the assessment year 2013-14. Okay, 2022-23. Particulars, and you can say that amount. And guys, listen, they have two options, right? They have two options. First is what, here they said he opt the house to be taxed on 115 business 115 BAC and does not opt tax under section 115 BAC. Opt, does not opt. Opt, does not opt. Make this column fast. Make this column fast. Sir, first you know. First in the what is the first bacho? SOP. Correct? We have SOP here. How do I la? House 1 SOP means what? Self-occupied. But for self-occupied, yes, net annual value is what is annual value? Always बच्चों nil. Remember, there is a nil, right?
सर 15 BAC मतलब क्या सर?
हाँ बेटा, वो दो सिचुएशन है.
15 BAC
दो सिचुएशन है. 115 BAC मतलब उसमें वो टैक्सेबल हो गया कि नहीं होगा. मैं सिखा देने कभी, थोड़ा होल्ड कर, ठीक है? ओके बच्चों, लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. Net value is nil. All right, now बच्चों, as per the rules there is a loss, right? What is a loss? Only the interest part we should take into account. Correct? 9,000 है ना? Remember 9,000. So 9,000 is what? Interest on loan. Correct? You can see deduction under section 24. Less deduction under section 24. ठीक है? What is that बच्चा? Always 30% of net value or interest on loan. Self-occupied property only we are going to take this one. 9,000. And here opt Barangilla. Opt Barangilla. Does not opt, yes Bharate. 9,000 rupees interest on loan. He can claim it. Okay ना? Okay बच्चों, समझ में आया? केटरी self-notary, what they said is that interest on loan is a loss. Correct? Interest on loan is what बच्चों? It's loss. Loss for what? House property. So income from house property loss ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this 9,000 we can subtract from other house income. ಕೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌಸ್ 3 ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 115 ಬಿ ಎಸ್ ಇದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚೋ 115 ಬಿ ಎಸ್ ಇದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ 115 ಬಿ ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಪ್ಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮೈನಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ओके ओके बच्चों, अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो? नेक्स्ट पेपर ऑडिट है क्या तुम्हारा? Day after tomorrow, which subject you have? ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಡಿಟ್ ಇದೆ?
Audit, sir.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, when is income tax then?
On 4th. It's on morning, sir. 9 to 12.
Oh, okay.
We don't have
Problem nahi hai.
also.
Audit also will discuss that. Let me finish, bacha. So देखो सुनो, always income from house property ದಲ್ಲಿ interest means what बच्चों? Interest you have taken for house loans. So see, ಒಂದು ಮನಿ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ ಏನು ಲೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕಟ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಮನಿ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಲೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್, ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 24ದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಚ್ಚು? ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತೂ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, this is not your income, right? So what I can say that in the case of self-occupied, but only interest is allowed as a deduction, that is 9,000. Only when he does not opt. When he does not opt. In case of 115 BSc opt ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay na? Okay na? So house property 1 is over. Chalo, house 2. That is LOP, right? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? LOP. Sir, ಏನಿದೆ? LOP? Yes, it is LOP. So ಬಚ್ಚೋ, municipal value 31,000, rent received 30,000. Whichever is what? Municipal value 30,000. First we are going to compare. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊರಿ, ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ಬಚ್ಚಾ? ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರೆಂಟ್. ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರೆಂಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ लोएस्ट.
Higher.
नहीं रे,
First higher, sir. बाद में lowest, फिर higher.
see municipal value standard rent, whichever is higher than lowest ಇದೆ.
Higher, sir.
ನಾ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 1 second. अरे बाबा वैसा नहीं है वो. Listen, it's not higher. We need to check to which we are comparing. ठीक है? Listen, municipal value and fair rental value, whichever is highest. ठीक है? And to this we are going to compare with standard rent, whichever is lowest. All right. Next we are going to compare with the actual rent. This is the lowest. Municipal value, fair rental value, whichever is highest, and to that we are going to compare with the standard rent. ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಚ್ಚೋ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್. ರೈಟ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್.
माइक म्यूट हुआ है सर. हेलो.
हेलो हेलो, आ रही है आवाज? चलो, ಆಡಿಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈಗ ಬಚ್ಚೋ ಲಿಸನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ दैट ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 31,000. ठीक है, municipal value how much? 31,000. To this we are going to compare with the standard rent. Municipal value compare with the standard rent, that is 28,000. 30,000. You want me to take auditing or not? Auditing ले लो क्या? That in that chapter I mean when I was doing CA inter, right? Yeah, auditing was my favorite. Accounts and auditing. If you want, I can skip this subject today and I can 31,000 with 28,000. Now, बच्चों, whichever is less, we should take 28,000, because we are not comparing with what? We are not comparing with my DA student. बच्चों, we are not comparing the fair value, we are comparing with standard value. So whichever is less we take. ठीक है? To this, what is next? Actual rent received. How much? कितना है? एक्चुअल रेंट रिसीव्ड इज हाउ मच बच्चा? दैट इज 30,000. ठीक है, एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट देयर इज अनरियलाइज्ड रेंट ऑफ 2,500. सो माइनस ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 30,000 minus 2,500 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 27,500. ठीक है, तू आके देख ले. Right? Next, tell me बच्चों, whichever is ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? gross annual value. So tell me whichever is higher, right? So that is 28,000. Now in this, yeah, both the case ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ? Yes ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Yes, 115 BAC, 115 BAC opt, 115 BAC does not opt. ತಗೋರಿ. And when is your computer subject बच्चों? 6, right? Municipal tax, what is your municipal tax ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Municipal tax बच्चों 5,400, 9,000 minus ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. minus it बच्चा 5,400 and 9,000. Hey, नहीं, only take this two for second house, right? Either, bro. You take this much only. Only second house. Just ignore this. Later on, we'll take it. 5,400 and 5,400. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Net annual value. Minus it, बच्चों. How much is that? How much is that? Will you please minus? Yes. 22,600. What about this?
10.
Same. Chalo, perfect. Sir, next, to this we are going to take less deduction under section what? 24. Standard deduction at 30% of NAV. इस ताकत बच्चों कितना होगा? 22,600 इंटू 30%. बताओ जी कितना होगा बच्चों? That is 6,780. Correct?
780.
Correct. Next, interest on loan. Interest on loan, how much बच्चों? That is 3,000, है ना? टोटल कितना होगा? टोटल ऐसा करते हैं. Tell me.
9,780.
9,780. समझ में आया? Income from house property 2. Jaggu, yes my boy, it's live. Minus it बच्चों. Minus it. माइनस मर रही. माइनस करना मेरे बच्चा.
3,780.
3,780. Which one?
First one, sir. First column.
22,600 minus 9,780 कितना आएगा?
12,820.
12,820. What up? Same thing. 12,820. Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt? No doubt? See, only in case of self-occupied property, if somebody opt, interest is not allowed there. We are not going to subtract. That's it. समझ में आया?
Sir, voice is not clear. Beep sound.
नहीं रे.
हाँ सर, कोई ऐसा आ रहा है.
अभी
Now it's clear, sir.
चलो. हाँ बेटा, मॉस्किटो तुम्हें लगेंगे क्या जी? यहाँ हुर्रत नवनगर के मॉस्किटोज भेजें क्या फोन में सी? आ गया. चलो, सॉरी फॉर दैट. लेट्स बिगिन. जोक्स अपार्ट. या हाउस 3 शॉप LOP shop 3. House 3. LOP. First, municipal value. What is municipal value, बच्चों? Municipal value ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes, it's 36,000. So tomorrow is holiday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, to this we are going to compare what? This is this one, standard rent. Standard rent. $38,000. Whichever is what? Less. Correct? We are not comparing the fair value, means whichever is less you should take. कौन सा है? 36,000. ठीक है? Next. Actual rent. What is the actual rent? Rent received 40,000. ठीक है? 40,000 is the rent received. So in that there is something called 3 months vacancy, right? Yes or no? 3 months vacancy. So that vacancy we have to minus it. Note on actual rent. That is 40,000. Whichever is what? You know, higher.
Higher.
Whichever is higher, right? Municipal value and standard rent. We compared whichever is least. We have taken this now. So now we are going to compare with actual rent. Whichever is highest, that is 40,000. So to this, in this less vacancy period. What is vacancy period? 3 months. 3 months vacancy period. So tell me, bachcho, the shop let out remain vacant for 3 months, and yeah. So tell me, what is the rent they have received? 40,000. Correct? Yes or no? So if you divide this 40,000, 3 months vacancy is how much it is? कितना आएगा? Tell me, guys. Vacancy how will take? 36,000. 36 नहीं आएगा ना? 40,000 divided by 12 into 3. 10,000 आएगा. ठीक है? So this is your gross annual value, right? Gross annual value 30,000. Understood, बच्चों? Understood? Yes or no? Big ugly.
Yes, sir.
So in this, so gross annual value is 30,000 in case 1 and case 2. Less municipal tax. What is your municipal tax, my dear student? Municipal tax is here the given, right? 9,000. Both the case. Minus smart. 9,000, 9,000. Actually, house property is damn easy. So net annual value 21,000, 21,000. Right? Less deduction under section 24. 30% of NAV. 21,000 into 30%. 6,300, 6,300. Right, 1 second.
सर वैकेंसी पीरियड का एक बार देखिए सर,
क्या हो?
वैकेंसी पीरियड
What?
कुछ नहीं सर।
वैकेंसी पर डिवाइड रॉन्ग आ? अरे बाबा
नो सर,
कैसा?
नहीं सर। ठीक है सर।
देखो ना यहाँ पर, actual rent how much? 40,000. This 40,000 is for 12 months. For 3 months how much? Correct?
हाँ सर।
So to this next what we are going to do? Interest. Interest we have to subtract. Easy है बच्चों, बहुत easy है. Interest on loan. That is 2,000. Correct? 2,000 है. Total is how much? 8,300. 8,300. Income from house 3. Right? House 3. माइनस माटे पद रही दो. माइनस इट बच्चों फर्स्ट. माइनस माट रही. 21,000 माइनस 8,300 कितना आएगा?
12,700।
12,700. Iga, listen. This is your income, correct? And here also we have income here. Yes or no? Yes or no, bachcho? And there is a loss from this 9,000. Correct? So what we can do is that whenever you get the case study, I'm sure this time they will ask this only. Income from house property. ठीक है? Particulars 115 BAC opt 115 BAC not opt not opt. बच्चों very simple. House 1, no, there is no nothing here, but here we have minus 9,000. Correct? तू आके देख ले. सोनिए. बच्चों 12,800. 12,800. House 2. House 3. 820. हाँ तो 12,700. So बच्चों income from house property add ಮಾಡಿರಿಂದ 25,520 and minus ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ बच्चों बताओ. minus 8
16,520।
कितना?
16,520।
16,520. चलो we can do that. And I thought tomorrow, day after tomorrow is your this one income tax. बच्चों yeah, I want to end this live class now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and morning I'll come with some important auditing notes. So day after tomorrow
Okay,
you
sir.
have. So tomorrow we have one more session. That is computer by morning around 11:30 something like that. Okay. Chalo guys, bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow there is no income tax. हाँ, income tax will be there in the evening.
हाँ सर, इनकम टैक्स लो सर, इम्पोर्टेंट है.
हाँ मेरे बच्चे. चलो guys, I'll share this PDF with you. Bye bye. Good night.
थैंक यू सर.
Most welcome. Like ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, share ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ. All right.